Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Foxwell BT100 Pro, a compact and affordable 12V car battery tester and analyzer that can help you check your vehicle's battery health in seconds. If you've ever had trouble figuring out whether your battery is weak, charging, or needs replacing, this tool might be for you. So what exactly is the Foxwell BT100 Pro? This 12-volt battery analyzer offers a simple, affordable solution for checking battery cell health, monitoring charging performance, and identifying faults. No Bluetooth, software, or costly diagnostic tools required. Get fast, accurate results on the spot, anytime, anywhere. Compatible with the most common 12V lead-acid batteries, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, and GEL, this device delivers exceptional versatility. The BT100 Pro also supports a wide range of battery testing standards, ensuring accurate and reliable results across different applications. Just as simple to operate as the Foxwell BT705 and BT780 battery analyzers, this tester requires only a quick wire connection to begin testing. Its backlit LCD screen, large tactile buttons, and intuitive menu-driven interface ensure smooth, user-friendly operation. Compact and pocket-sized, it's easy to carry and ideal for on-the-go battery diagnostics. Built for durability, this automotive battery tester features rugged battery clamps and a tough protective plastic housing. The high-precision alligator clamps and heavy-duty cables ensure accurate and reliable connections. For added safety, it includes reverse polarity protection, over-voltage protection, and automatic temperature compensation for consistent, dependable results. Foxwell provides prompt and reliable technical support whenever you need assistance. The BT100 Pro also features a multilingual interface for added convenience, supporting English, French, German, Italian, Dutch, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and more. So if you're a DIY car owner, a mechanic, or just someone who doesn't want to be caught with a dead battery, the Foxwell BT100 Pro is a useful addition to your garage toolkit. Thanks for watching.